Instead of hunting around the internet for the right sound effects for your video, just do this instead. Just use Genny.lovo.ai to generate your own sound effects using artificial intelligence. You start a new project, you go over here to the left and click AI Generator, and then you go to AI Sound Effects, and you can just write whatever sound effect you want right here, and it'll make it. So right here I wrote seagulls cawing. Let's say I'm making like a beach scene. Now I'm going to cut this down to like 5 seconds, and I'm going to click Create. And here we go, we got these two. This is the first one. Not bad. And the second one. That's pretty different, but I like both of those. I also wanted some waves crashing on the beach. Set those to 5 seconds. Easy peasy. That's just done by AI. That's super wild. I didn't have to go and find anything. All I had to do was prompt it. So now I've got sound effects for my videos. And if you're looking to do more AI stuff in your videos, we have an AI image generator and an AI script generator inside of Genny. So go check it out.